Hello guys. So guys, if you are in Bangalore and you are bored with your 9 to 5 job, then you should definitely visit this place. The name of this place is Torque 3. It is located in Marathalli just near Kala Mandir. This place has a very beautiful ambience and a lot of gaming options like go-karting, bowling, shooting, arcade games and many more. This is the entrance and let's go inside. And here is the track for go-karting. This is going to be my first ever experience and I am very excited about it. Guys, the charges for this ride is 1000 rupees and everyone will get about 20 minutes to drive. All the safety instructions and necessary guidelines will be provided before we start the race. You can see the cars are lined up and they are ready for the race now. And the race has started now. So by the time they complete all the laps, let's sit and enjoy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way.
At the end of the race, names of all the participants will be displayed on a big screen along with their position and time they took to complete the race.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
And this is the indoor game section guys. You have multiple options here and you can play any game of your choice.
we'll
And this is the shooting section guys. You will feel as if it's a real shooting competition going on. Here you will be allowed to fire 10 shots. If you hit at the center point of the target, you get 10 points. The point will reduce depending upon how far you have hit from the center point.
to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
This place have also restaurant where you can enjoy delicious food and beverages. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe my channel. See you guys in my next video. Until then, take care.